Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Logitech G403. So this is the Hero sensor one, so this is the one that's more updated. I believe it was released in 2019. So this is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna do a little thing around it. Here we have is the specifications of the mouse. So as you can see, the dimensions and the weight. So it does weigh at around 90 grams, which is actually a pretty decent mice. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light at the same time, so that's really nice. As you can see right here, it does come with 10-gram weights, which is really good, and it works with the Logitech G Hub. So for me, where I have my G Pro headset, it'll work just fine together, so that's awesome. So as you can see, here's the box. Let's open it up. So we got the top off, is brand new. Let's take off the seal. There we go. Let's flip this over. Alright. Any second. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult to record with one hand, but there we go. So it is covered in plastic, so that's good. Okay. Here we have the Logitech G booklet again. Dude, they have this with like every product, I believe, right? So, yep, there we go. There are their socials for Logitech. Life is more fun when you play. That is right. Life is the best when you game. So here's the mouse. And we also have the Logitech G logo right here. It's a sticker. We have like a little setup for it, safety guide and whatnot, and yeah, so I kind of just slid out of the package right here because it just goes over and it slides out. A little bit messy, sorry about that. We have a 10-gram weight, I believe. Oh, 10-gram weight. Let's zoom into that. Yeah, 10 grams, so that's pretty cool. And here we have the mouse. So as you can see, it's not bad. Okay guys, so this is what the mouse looks like right here. So as you can see, the top, it has a DPI button right here. It's got the scroll wheel. It's got the left click, right click, side buttons, scroll wheel click. So yeah, so at the sides it is rubber. This is rubber. So it kind of blends in right now, as you can see, but so you can see a little bit right here, there's a line. So this part is plastic, and over here is like the rubber side grips, which I think is pretty nice. I hope they don't wear out. I don't know if they do wear out easily, but only time will tell. It seems to be alright though. This is what the bottom of the mouse looks like. The Hero sensor is inside of this one, which is really good, which just means that it's the updated version. So for this, I need to figure out how to take it out. Just actually pop it in here. So it fits nice and snug. And you just put it in. It's magnetic. So it just fits in. And there you go. So now let's plug it in and see how it connects. Alright guys, so this is the mouse that I usually use. I used to have the G502, but I kind of got tired of it because it's really heavy. So I switched to this mouse right here. It's really beat up, it's all like scratched and whatnot. But yeah, so this is the Crowley F300. As you can see, it's really slim. So if you look at this right here, so you can see that this one has more of like a hump at the back. Like this thing is more like, it's more flat, right? Here it's got a more of like a angled hump that goes like up. But yeah, so there is like a bit of like a feeling in your palm, like when you grip it. So I think it's gonna take some getting used to. And I forgot to mention, the scroll wheel has an RGB strip, or like a little RGB running through it. So through the whole thing. that is really nice. And the light for the mouse is really good. So as you can see right here, I'm using the mouse. So yeah. Now, let's go to the Logitech G Hub. So the moment I connected it, the G403 Hero has already been connected, so I can click on it. We have the cycle rate for the RGB. So I put it on a faster rate, as you can see. I'm gonna sync them. So now you can see right here, look how fast the RGB is. Same thing with the G502. You can lower the brightness. You can set it so that the logo, the color of the logo changes. You can put it so that they sync up together, which is what I did. So here you can change the inputs for the mouse. So if you wanted this flick forward to change to like a key on your keyboard, like a W or something, you could do that. DPI cycle. So here we have DPI speeds. So here you guys can see this is the DPI speeds. So you can go as low as 100 DPI with this mouse, and you can go as high as 25,600 DPI, which is actually really insane. It's really quick. Oh my goodness. Like I'm just barely moving the mouse, and it's going all over the screen. So yeah, I mean, if you like 2500 DPI, you know, you got that option. And you can change the pull rate. So as you can see, it goes as high as 1000, which is really good. And that is about it for the mouse. So you have a bunch of effects and whatnot for the mouse. You can turn it off if you want to. And yeah, but I'm gonna keep it on, I think, cycle, I believe. I want them to sync up, but yeah, there we go. So that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will do more of a review on this mouse later on. I have to test it out and see how it runs when I play games, but for now it looks promising. Seems like a really nice mouse. The shape I will have to get used to it because it's much more taller than my other mouse, but it's not bad. And I think it's a good replacement for my G502 Hero. So the good thing is that it does also have the Hero sensor, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Dear Lavish, I miss you.
Call my phone when I'm stressing, going out of my mind and obsessing, yeah. Pull up on me, I need your affection, you need my attention, we got a connection, yeah. I've been trying to cater to you, and I'm all up in my feelings every day cause of you. Beautiful, and I ain't playing with you, and you know I'm finna pull up to be laid up with you. Keeping you close while I do my thing. That ain't gon' change, that ain't ever gon' change. I mean it when I say they don't mean anything. You the one I need, I'ma do what it takes. And they gon' make you playlists, I could make you love songs. Tell me what they did, shawty, I know you been done wrong so long. You don't gotta worry about those things when you're with me. I ain't running game on you. I ain't running game on you. To be laid up with you tonight. I ain't running game on you. I ain't running game on you. I ain't running game, but you know I'm coming down to be laid up with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been keeping patient, I've been steady waiting. Shawty, let's get faded, yeah. I ain't running game, but you know I'm coming down to be laid up with you tonight. Hey, You could say whatever. Take my favorite sweater, girl, I keep you safe forever. Staying down when you need me the most. Always keeping you close, forever feeling you though. Yeah, let's ride around through the night. Let's do what you like. You know we've been working, so come on, let's take a time. Touch down in the city and have a hell of a